Hey there, lawn care enthusiasts. Today I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the EGO cordless mower. I've been using it for a while now, and I gotta say, it's been a total game changer for my lawn care routine. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of ditching the gas and oil and going for a more eco-friendly option, right? It's perfect for home lawn care owners like you and me, looking for a convenient and efficient way to keep our lawns looking great. So what is it? Well, it's a cordless electric mower designed to make cutting your lawn a whole lot easier and more convenient. It's powered by a battery, which I'll get into in a bit, and it's really lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for smaller to medium-sized lawns. The design is also really sleek and modern, with a sturdy build that can withstand regular use. Now let's dive into the specs, shall we? The EGO cordless mower has a runtime of 60 minutes, which is more than enough time to cut my lawn, and it's powered by a 56V 7.5Ah battery, with an extra 5.0Ah battery included, just in case you need a bit more juice. It's got 7.0 ft-lbs of torque, which is plenty of power to cut through even the thickest grass, and it uses a multi-blade cutting system, which gives you a nice, even cut every time. Plus, it's got a rapid charger, so you can get back to cutting in no time. The combination of these specs makes it a really powerful and efficient mower. In terms of real-world use, I've been using it to cut my lawn, which is about 1/4 of an acre, and it's been performing great, cutting through my lawn with ease and leaving it looking neat and tidy. The battery life has been impressive, and the extra battery has come in handy on larger lawns. I've also used it to cut my neighbor's lawn, which is a bit bigger, and it handled it with ease. The mower is also really quiet, which is a big plus, especially if you like to cut your lawn early in the morning or in the evening. I've also noticed that the EGO cordless mower is really easy to maintain. The blade is simple to remove and clean, and the deck is easy to wash. The mower also comes with a 5-year warranty, which gives me peace of mind, knowing that I'm covered in case anything goes wrong. The customer support is also top-notch, with a dedicated team available to answer any questions or concerns. So what's the verdict? I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10. It's been a great addition to my lawn care arsenal, and I think it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new mower. The only thing holding me back from giving it a 10 is the price. It's a bit on the higher side, but trust me, it's worth it. The convenience, efficiency, and eco-friendliness of the EGO cordless mower make it a great investment for any lawn care enthusiast. Overall, I'm really happy with the EGO cordless mower, and I think you will be too. So be sure to like and subscribe for more lawn care reviews and tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll do my best to respond.